Okay guys, I want to show you this wheel. It's a special wheel. I didn't, well, we gave the customer back their center cap. It's a Ferrari wheel. It's on a $500,000 Ferrari. And I want to show you what we did with this wheel. I should have did it before and after, but sorry about that. We've just been so busy I didn't get the before. I'm going to show you the after. This wheel has a gold lip and a brushed aluminum gold face. It is a two-piece wheel. It's a three-piece wheel. Three-piece. We took the screws out so we can take the face of the wheel out. Now I'm going to show you where the bend was at. If you look at this finger right here, right there you can see where it was bent. This whole lip was bent in, and it bent this finger and it bent that finger. Now, what we had to do was match the paint. Now, it's not 100% exact match, but we explained to the customer that, hey, we'll get it close. He says, look, this is the third time I bent this wheel. I'm going to buy a whole new set. So just to get this wheel close to new, he's happy with it. Because if I had a Ferrari, I'm buying brand new wheels. But I'll show you down here. You can see right here underneath the bottom where we took the bend out. Okay, just to show you, because it looks new now. This was crumpled in. Now, I'm going to give you a frontward look. I can't really tell where we did the work. The work was done right here. The blend is amazing. Now, this is liquid paint. That's a polished gold aluminum. We took a liquid paint and got it to match a polished gold aluminum. That's remarkable. I mean, my painters are the best. We straighten out this spoke, we straighten out that spoke. Yeah, sure, if you get a magnifying glass, you look close enough, like right there, you can see it. But from looking at the wheel from a distance, from afar, it looks perfect. Let me spin this around so you can see the color. There we go. So, I don't know if in this camera, you can't see the difference in color. The customer's going to be pleased. We got to put the screws back in, put his tire back on and balance it. So he's going to be very pleased with this wheel. But this is a Ferrari wheel for a $450,000 Ferrari. So we fix all types of wheels. It doesn't matter. Honda, Chevy, Ford, Lamborghini, Lexus, Mercedes, Jaguar, BMW, Aston Martins, you name it. We've done them all. Wheels are wheels. We're the best. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the